Alright guys, welcome to part 2 or stage 2 of the mod removal of my car, getting it back to stock. So let's get right to it. So some of the things that I am looking to remove is going to be the piping, the dash cover, the channel decal there, the red push button, yes, the pedal commander, the custom floor mats that are dirty and will be washed. I am actually going to attempt to take off those Mopar sport pedals, as well as my black chrome charger door sills from the front and the back doors, and the oil catch can, and maybe even the exhaust with the rear valance. I'm just kidding. So this is the back door black chrome door sill. It was just a two-way tape adhesive. Comes right off. Wipe those down. Too easy. This is my custom fit. It's like a laser cut windshield visor that I'm going to be taking with me because it's the exact same windshield on a Hellcat. The driver's side came out very easily, but this passenger side is doesn't want to be leaving. There we go. Black chrome. And here is the stock engine cover that Andrew gave me when we did the engine cover swap. So yes, I will be putting this on once I take off the catch can. Just like that, door is back to stock. Almost done with all the easy stuff. This custom made dash topper is coming. I'll just have to get new Velcro to reapply it. And I'm actually thinking of taking off the steering wheel cover as well. Turns out, after I talked to Nate from Rebadge, that this thing is actually made to cover the charger here, not to go on the steering wheel. But my dash cover already covered this, so I didn't need to put it there. I wouldn't be able to see it. And it turns out it fit perfectly right over the Dodge emblem there. Fun fact. There it is, back to stock. I gotta say, Dodge left an impression on this thing. And you know, even though the Hellcat has a red button, I am actually thinking of putting this one over the Hellcat red button anyway. I just think this one looks and feels a whole lot better. And there we go. Back to stock. I've already dropped the lower panel here using this. Got the two pegs, and now I'm just going to run this back through, find out where this wire connects to under there, and disconnect it. Alright guys, I'm still trying to take out the pedal commander. I can't figure out how to remove that one clip that's into the car, so I'm going to take a break from it. Like with the install, it's kicking my butt. I don't think it's meant to be taken out. I think it's a one-way thing, but I'm going to move over to the oil catch can, and then I'll try to come back to the pedal commander. So I have loosened the bolt from the Z bracket just enough to keep this self-standing, and I will be taking out the hoses. So here it is. Took out the oil catch can. Now I'm actually going to have to keep in the short hose so that I can bridge that gap right there. And what I may end up doing is going to a car part shop or something to buy a smaller hose to put there. So I was finally able to get the pedal commander unplugged. This one here was giving me a hard time because of this locking pin and just the dynamics of it. You almost need to have the exact angle to pull it out, but here it is, good as new. And I did contact a pedal commander, and they said that this pedal commander will work on a Hellcat. I'm just debating if I want to reinstall it on that or sell it. We'll see. So to take off the gas pedal, you actually want to pry it out from this side and then tip it that way, as the right side of it actually has these clips just on the one side. So it's an easy install, easy removal. Now the beast. Now I will say that prying the corners off and around makes this thing a whole lot easier to take off than to install. As you can see, when you do try to install it, this piece here, all four sides, you're trying to get underneath this very thick, like industrial rubber, and it's not easy. But taking it back to stock. And I'm so glad I went under here to take off the pedals as well as the pedal commander, because I almost forgot to remove my Z Auto Taser. I don't want to give that away, so I will be taking that off. I also almost forgot to take off my Pro Clip phone clip that I bought. Taking it back to stock. I think we're just about there. So I'm actually here at AutoZone. I need to get a flex hose to connect to the end fitting. Where did I put it? It's right here. The end fitting for the catch can, because I'm taking the catch can out, but I need a rubber hose to connect the two connectors. So here I am, and then I can take out the catch can. Alright guys, so I am at AutoZone, and I'm finally able to remove the catch can. So this is the end rubber fitting, and I needed to get another connector hose so that I can set this back up like it was before the catch can install. And then this bottom part here, if you remember the video, this little, oh, it's still warm, so don't touch that. Just plug that right back in. And the final touch is to just put on the stock engine cover. The last thing I'm probably going to do is swap this one out with the other one. But there you have it, folks. That is pretty much it. Engine back to stock. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from